Alicia. I stand here today with the utmost gratitude to be able to take your hand in marriage. These past 7 years with you have been the best years of my life. I know we can overcome any of life's obstacles with you by my side, and I can't wait for the adventure that is to come. As we continue on this journey together, as husband and wife, I promise to maintain my integrity, to always treat you with respect, to be there in times of need, and to love you with every fiber in my body until my dying day.